Hello friends, today we are going to learn again exercise 13.4. This is the revised lecture for you. In this exercise we have to learn that what about random variable and what about probability distribution. As we know that x is a random variable we defined in the previous lecture. So let us start with example 2. From here we have to solve that how kind of random variable exists and how can we find it. Let us see with this example. There are 5 red and 2 black balls in an urn. 2 balls select randomly. X is the number of black balls in the selection. Is X random variable? This is the question in your exercise 13.4. Now see what happened here. There are 5 red and 2 black balls. It means there are 7 balls. And 2 balls selected randomly. It means we have to select any 2 balls. Now what is our random variable? Random variable X is the number of black balls in the selection. Now number of black balls, it means what? Either when you select 2 balls, you get there is no black ball, it means 0 black ball. It means in the selection of both ball, both are red. It means 0 are black ball. Remember that X is the random variable. So either 0 is red ball or black ball or 1 is black ball. It means 1 black and 1 red. That is the case. Or both are black ball. So 0, 1, 2 is the value of X. And these values are real. Now is random variable or not? So that's why we have to prove that probability relative to all this possible value of X. We have to find that sum of this all possible event is 1 or not. So let us start with the probability getting 0. It means the number of black balls in the selection are 0. So 0 black ball, that means see here there are only 2 black balls. So there are 0 in the selection. So how can we decide that both are red? So red 5 balls. So 5C2 upon total are 7. So 5C2 upon 7C2 is the probability that there are 0 black ball. And what is this? 2C0 is 1. 5C2 is 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. So it's 20 by 42. And that's why it's 10 by 21. And probability getting 1. Getting 1 means 1 black ball. See. So 1 black ball means 2C1 into 5C1. It is very clear that there are 2 black balls. So 1 black and 1 red. You can read it in this way by using combination. Upon 7C2 is sample space. So again you solve that 2 into 5 upon 7 into 6 by 20. So is again 10 by 21. And finally probability getting both are black ball. So both are black ball, that means 2C2 and 5C0 upon 7C2. So that is 1 by 21. Now let us add this all possible probabilities of the event. Then we get 10 by 21, 0 black ball. 1 black ball probability is again 10 by 21. 2, that is also 1 by 21, and the sum is C1 and sigma Px is 1. Then we may say that X is the random variable of this experiment. So this is second example. Now let us see the third one. Third example is very interesting and very easy. That a coin tossed 6 times. See, a coin is tossed 6 times. X is what? X, it means the random variable is difference between number of head and tail. Then find the value of X. Nothing to do, just to find the value of this random variable X. Now a coin tossed 6 times. So we know that number of head occur maximum 6 times, minimum 0 times. It means what? When you tossed a coin 6 times, either all time tail occur. It means number of head is 0, or 1 time head, or 2 time, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. It means number of head occur in all possible result lies between 0 to 6. Same as number of tail occur up to 0 to 6 times. It means that first time when you occur and 1 time tail, 2 time tail, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time and 6 time. And it is also possible there is no tail occur. It means all 6 times it is possible that head occur. So therefore possible value of number of H minus number of T. It means that the difference between number of head and number of T is. So possible values, let us see. So we start with this 6 time head Obviously 0 time tell. See here, there are 6 random experiment is there. So all 6 time had 0 time tell, or 5 time had 1 time tell, or 4 time had 2 time tell, or both 3 times had 3 time tell, 2 time had 4 times. So these are the possible results. I can say that you easily understand. 6 minus 0 is 6, modulus is there. 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Remaining modulus are repeated value, we know that. So therefore x is what? 0, 2, 4 and 6. So it's very easy question, I think. So there is no difficult thing here to understand that. Now example 4 is what? We have to find out the probability distributions relative to this example. It means we have to write probability distribution. Let us see. First question is this: a coin tossed twice. So it is obvious that when a coin tossed twice, U is HH, HT, TH and TT. Now random variable is what? Number of head occurs. It means you have to find the probability distribution of the random experiment number of head occurs in the tossing a coin twice, right? So now tossing a coin twice, what happened? You can say that both time tail occur. So one possible result is what? 0 time head occur, or number of head is 0, number of head is 1, or number of head is 2. Now just to find the same way in previous example, probability getting 0 time head. Remember that in short we may read it as probability getting 0. So probability that number of head occur is 0. It means both time tail occur. Now tail occur is one case. So 1 by total outcome is 4. I think this is very easy to understand. So that is 1 by 4. Similarly, you can find probability of head and tail occur. So let us see probability getting head and tail occur. That is the one time success. So now probability getting one time success. Let us see what happened in that case. So now probability getting one time success. See here. So now probability getting one time success, and probability getting one time success. So what happened? You can say that first time head, second time tail, or first time tail and second time head, and that is, I think, is 2 by 4 is very easy. Probability getting 2 time head. It means both time had, that is possible outcome 1 by 4. Now what is probability distribution of x? X is the number of had and probability getting x. So it's very easy to find. Number of had occur is either 0 or 1 or 2. So probability getting 0 time had is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. See, the sum is always 1. So this is the probability distribution relevant to it. So remaining both question now you can solve yourself. So this is your homework. So try to solve. This is very easy question, and remaining question we will solve in the next lecture. Here we stop now.